Hey there, happy Friday and thanks for logging on. Today we're talking about students getting ready for global travel through the Dyad program to seniors crushing their college goals. We're also checking in on Clifton Middle School's efforts to connect with parents, highlighting a big event with Feed the Children and a fun reading challenge with the Houston Rockets. It is Friday, October 24th. And don't forget, you can skip to any story in this video with the chapters in the description right below. Well, exciting things are happening with HISD's Dyad Travel. Now, the Dyad program gives students the chance to explore the world and connect what they're learning in the classroom to real-life experiences through national and international travel. Plans for those travel experiences are officially underway. Parent meetings are happening right now across our NES middle schools, and the district is actively supporting students as they complete the program application process. If you want to learn more about these specialty classes and the travel program that is, or even how to become a Dyad consultant, just head on over to our website. That's houstonisd.org. Hover over schools and academics and click on Dyad. And some more exciting news to share with you. HISD seniors are already making amazing progress toward their future goals. Now, more than 3,900 graduating seniors have applied to at least one college. That's 19% above our November target, and 20% have applied to 3 or more schools. Through the district's college, career, and military readiness programs, students have access to advanced courses, hands-on learning, and real-world experiences that are preparing them for college, careers, or military service. And HISD students are doing so well that recently representatives from College Board stopped by Waltirp High School to check out our AP and pre-AP programs to see more closely how these courses are getting students better prepared for college. For more on the College Board's visit and to hear what they had to say, go to our Instagram page and check out this reel that we posted on there.
Having somebody like Perez where, you really see the passion behind what they do and you really want to get behind them.
And that was Manuel Lopez. He's a Clifton Middle School parent, and he's talking about the efforts Principal Perez is making to relaunch the school's PTA program. Principal Perez has hit the ground running, building on the momentum of her school's Now B rating. And she's making real efforts to connect with her community. It's today's brand new story on Clifton that we just uploaded to the channel. And this week, Clifton Middle School was the focus for our campus close-up. You can check out all the stories we did on the school in this playlist that's up on our YouTube channel. It's titled Clifton Middle School. Hey there, Principal Williams. Thank you so much for And next week, we're heading to Lanier Middle School. This diverse Vanguard Magnet IB school is building true global citizens as early as 6th grade. Principal Marcus Williams and I already connected, and he gave us a preview of what to expect next week. Be on the lookout. This full conversation with him will be posted on Monday. And make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss the rest of the stories from Lanier all next week. Well, yesterday, HISD, together with Feed the Children, held a drive-through resource rally at Marion Park, the newest of our Sunrise Centers. Families were able to stop by for food, essential items, books, and even toys for their families. Now, we have 8 Sunrise Centers throughout the Houston area and host these type of events there pretty often. Now, to find a center near you and to learn more about all the services they offer, that is, go to our website. That's houstonisd.org/Sunrise Centers. Well, in case you missed it, 3rd and 4th graders at Roosevelt Elementary just accepted a reading challenge from the Houston Rockets and Whataburger. Now, they had a big kickoff pep rally yesterday, and you can go check out all the fun they had and learn more about this challenge with this story that's up on our channel right now.
Hey guys, welcome to another week of high school sports.
Another one that's up across our socials. HISD Athletic Director Andre Walker stopped by our studios to talk about all the big volleyball and football games of the week. He also talked cross country and basketball and much more. And here's a quick look at some of the game schedules. In volleyball tonight, there's 2 big games happening that are expected to be close. Wheatley is going up against Young Women's College Prep Academy, and then the Westside girls are taking on Lamar. In football tonight, Heights is taking on Bel Air and Washington is taking on North Forest. Don't forget, complete game schedules are posted on our website. That's houstonisd.org under athletics. Well, that's a wrap for this week's HISD Now. We hope you have a great weekend, and we'll see you right back here for more great stories and important announcements next week. Have a good one.